Hi guys, it's Rowan aka the Human Voice Box, and today I'm bringing you more free sound effects that you guys can use on your film. This is going to be sounds from Aliens, the awesome James Cameron movie about xenomorphs with extra mouths and acid blood fighting against Colonial Marines. So I'll play you some amazing sound bites from that film. Let's rock! It's game time. That's it. Game over, man. Just game over. I like to keep this handy for close encounters. Whew. It's a really good film. Get away from her, you son of a bitch. What? No, what?